Hello guys, welcome to the WebAppic channel. In this video, you'll learn how to solve the processing 10% feed generation stuck error. So without further ado, let's jump in and learn how exactly we can solve this. One of the first places you can check for troubleshooting this issue is the PHP time limit. For you to find out what your current time limit is, go to WooCommerce and click on Status. Once you're inside the system status, scroll down and go down to Server Environment. Under there, you'll see the PHP time limit. Right now, as you can see, it's set to 30. This means feed generation may fail if the process cannot be completed within 30 seconds. Right now, our time limit is at 30, so we want to ideally increase this to 300 or more. This will allow us to complete the feed generation within the allocated time. Right now, I've gone into my server configuration and I've changed the PHP time limit from 30 to 300 and I've restarted the server. Now let's go ahead and refresh the page and I'm expecting this time limit to change. There we go. As you can see, now the PHP time limit has changed to 300. Another setting that you can change to avoid that error is right here. Go to CTX feed and click on settings. Under settings, you'll see this option that says product per batch, and by default it will be set to 200. For instance, if you have 1,000 products in your site and each batch is processing 200 items, it will take you 5 batches to complete your feed generation. Depending on the total product quantity and your server capability, you can increase or decrease this number. Having said that, when you increase this number, it takes more of a toll on your server, and vice versa, when you decrease it, it's less intensive on your server. You can decrease your product per batch value if you don't want to increase your PHP time limit. Please note that it's not best practice to process all of your products under one batch. So make sure you set this number according to your requirements and the capability of your server. Another great tool that you can use for troubleshooting this issue is the WooCommerce error logs. So go to WooCommerce, go to Status. Once you're there, click on the Logs tab. Under the Logs tab, you can look at the latest fatal error messages that we have here and check if there is any issues caused by our plugin. When you're raising a support ticket, attaching this log file can also be very helpful for our technicians to narrow down where exactly the error is being caused. Another way you can look into your error messages is by using third-party applications. Let's look at this one. Let's go ahead and install this. Once it's installed, let's go ahead and activate it. Now that the plugin is activated, let's go ahead and set it up. As you can see, for our error logging, the setting is not complete yet. The plugin did not find any log files in the WordPress directory, so we'll have to create one, and we have a few different options of adding it. We can either add it like this, error logging via .htaccess using PHP flag and value. You can use this as well. Last but not the least, you can also add this particular code in the php.config file and also create a debug.log file. So let's choose this and first and foremost create a debug.log file. Right now this website is locally hosted and I can access the WP content. Let's rename this file. Let's make this the debug.log file, debug.log. Perfect. Right now we've got the first bit sorted out. Let's go ahead and add these lines of code in the wp/config.php file. Let's copy this. Let's find our config file, open it with TextEdit, and let's see where we've got to add it. Exactly right here. So instead of this, we're going to paste the code that you've just received from our plugin right here. Perfect. Right now, as you can see, wp/config has been updated successfully, and we have the debug.log file where all the error messages are going to be saved. So I'm going to choose PHP error log as well. Plus on top of it, I want the WordPress error logs to show up as well. Let's go ahead and save the changes. There you go guys. Now you know how to solve the processing 10% feed generation stuck error. If you have any questions or issues, you're welcome to reach out to us at support@webappic.com. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I hope everybody has a good day. Thank you very much.